Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 4045 Westlake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is an amazing ranch home right on the water. So let's take a tour.
This home captures magnificent water views, featuring a granite kitchen with wood cabinetry, a breakfast bar, and hardwood floors, leading to a waterfront dining area and an expansive living area with balcony access and breathtaking lake views.
The first floor also features 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom, including this spacious waterfront master. Wake up each morning with spectacular water views and balcony access.
The finished lower level is right on the water, with a family room with additional sleeping areas, a powder room, laundry, and an expansive screened-in porch, all with panoramic lake views. Enjoy the lake lifestyle with over 70 feet of waterfront with a concrete break wall, hot tub, and lakefront patio.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4045 Westlake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!